Taking a look now at our Quick Access Toolbar. Remember from previous videos, the Quick Access Toolbar is up here. The purpose of the Quick Access Toolbar is to provide your commonly used commands in a quick to access thing right here. So for example, I have the spelling option right there. This is not enabled by default. We'll show you how to do that in a second. But you can see I have spelling and grammar right there on my Quick Access Toolbar. Instead of having to go to the Review tab and go over here to ABC Spelling, I put it right here for ease of use. So let's see how I actually did that. We're going to click on the Customize Quick Access Toolbar. We go up to our Quick Access Toolbar, and there's a drop-down arrow right here, the Customize Quick Access Toolbar. We're going to click on it. Now I've had spelling already put on there, so it's quickly available here. But if it's not available, we can go to the More Commands option right here. We click on this, and this should look familiar to you to some degree. We've seen this dialog window before. Over here, we have popular commands that we can add to the Quick Access Toolbar. We can add autosave, borders, calculate now, copy, create charts, etc., etc. The Quick Access Toolbar is very customizable for your use. Whatever you use the most often, you can put up there so that you can access them as needed. So I want spelling. Down here, I should find spelling. Here's spelling right here. I can click Add, and now it will add it to that. You can also add other commands. Notice that I have popular commands. These are the more popular commands available. But if I wanted options for all commands, I would also do that here. When I click All Commands, I get all commands. So you can customize your Quick Access Toolbar really any way you want. Notice I clicked OK, and my spelling check is right back where it was a second ago. You can also move the Quick Access Toolbar if you so choose. If you right-click on it anywhere, you can go and move it. So you can do Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. Notice what happens. It goes from up here to down here. I don't like that. You might like that. That doesn't work for me. So I'm going to right-click on it again and do Show Above. And it's right back where I like it. One of the things you can do is if you set up your Quick Access Toolbar just the way you like it, you can export those settings. So you configure this any way you want. You go to your Backstage area, you go to File, you go down to Options. This dialog window pops up again. You have the Quick Access Toolbar button right here. And over here, you can set Import and Export. You can import a customized file, or you can export all customization. Now this comes in handy if, for example, you're in charge of an organization and you create your Quick Access Toolbar just the way you like it that corresponds to things that you typically do in the office, and you want to share it with others to help speed up their work.